Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. I got Marylee here, and Marilee's had some major changes.
Yes.
Important changes, though. Trust me, I guarantee if Marylee made a change after this long, it was really important. She's got some really nice angles on the market.
Yep.
And what we're going to give you today is a market update. Anyway, go on.
So yeah, after 14 years, I've decided to leave citywide. I went to a new company called Cardinal Financial. Of course, I did my homework before I went there and looked around and saw really what could improve my energy as a mortgage loan officer, and what I could do for my clients, and also what I could do for my real estate agents to keep them working with us and giving them the best tools possible to make their lives a lot easier. I feel with Cardinal, their technology is off the hook. I can't even explain how awesome it is. And you know, a lot of that's not what you'll see, but you will see it behind the scenes because it'll help me, which in turn helps you guys. Cardinal Financial is still doing FHA loans to 620 credit score. We're still doing Utah housing, where a lot of people have quit doing Utah housing. They quit doing 620. I feel like our programs there
Still have zero down programs.
Still zero down, absolutely. And Utah housing, you guys, what you don't realize is it still has a stigma that it's like higher rates. Yes, the conventional, just so you know, on the conventional Utah housing, it does have a higher rate, but it has zero mortgage insurance. So when you compare the rate with the mortgage insurance, you really actually are about sixes.
Yeah.
And you're writing off the interest rate, where the mortgage insurance, you're not.
Yeah,
So
it's just
it
a waste of money.
actually is almost better. And once they get the value, they can take that refinance out of that rate.
And they get the best of both worlds.
Really, honestly, they
Yeah.
really do. So a lot of people don't realize that about the Utah housing. And you need a 700 credit score for that. So there's a little bit of caveat on that for conventional. But honestly, we're seeing more and more, 50% of the people are having 700 credit scores. It's not as bad as people think it is. We've got a really great credit repair. We have a company that does it. We also do it a lot. I've done a lot of new construction in my lifetime. It was my niche for a very long time. So over the 9 months of construction a home or a year, I've learned to work on people's credit. We're pretty good at it without having to charge them. You know, if we can't do it, then we'll send them there. But if we can, we'll do it. We even go to the lengths. If you're at a 719, we'll try to get you to a 720 as a client, that 1 point, because it can make a better interest rate. And we're not afraid to do that for our clients. And our clients love it. Mm-hmm. Which also, if they love us, then they love you guys. That's kind of that that trickling effect, right?
It's the synergy.
It is. It makes a big sense. And just wanted to let you guys know about our credit and income. Every one of your clients goes into underwriting upfront for a full approval. We do that for two reasons. One, because we want a full approval. We want their clients to know when they're putting an offer in, that's not going to be a roller coaster ride to them.
Or when you agents are taking people out, you want to make sure that they can actually
afford that house.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah, because if they look at a $400,000 home and they can only afford $300,000, they're not going to like a $300,000 home. Immediately, they're going to be upset about that.
That's right.
If we have any hiccups or challenges, we're going to face them head on first thing before they go out looking. And it also gets me to get their paperwork from them, so that once they go under contract, they're enjoying the home buying process instead of me on their backs. I need this, I need that. I already have it all. We need a title report and an appraisal. We can close in 3 weeks. We got this.
Yeah, and that's important.
Yeah.
And obviously, this was a very, very important, and I guarantee Marylee, well, I don't need to, Marilee's very smart in this business. She's one of the very best there is. And to make this sort of decision, it was very calculated. It wasn't like, oh, this seems like a good thing to do, because she was there forever.
Yeah.
And so this is, in the end, though, that goes back to your clients and what you're doing. They need to work with pros in good situations, and Marilee's in one of those.
Yeah, absolutely. And you guys, you will be updated throughout the process. We want to keep you out looking for homes and new buyers. Let me do the mortgage problems and anything that I have to deal with back there, and you can just show up at closing.
I got a call I got to make.
We love it.
I love it.